All right, let's try to find the tangent of negative 5 pi over 4. So remember, step 1 is to figure out where is negative 5 pi over 4 on our unit circle. And we also have to remember that because it's a negative angle, remember that we'll be moving in a clockwise direction from the positive x-axis rather than a counterclockwise direction. So I'm starting here, I'm moving clockwise, and I'm thinking negative 5 pi over 4. 5 pi over 4 is 1 1/4 pi. So from here to here, that's pi. I need a fourth more, which puts me right here. We always make our triangles with the x-axis. So here's our angle. We have to figure out what that measures. So think about, this is 1/4 of pi, right? Pi is 180. If you divide that by 4, you get 45. So we're dealing with our special 45, 45, 90 triangle. Okay, so step 1, find negative 5 pi over 4. Step 2, draw your special triangles. Step 3, put in your side lengths of your special triangles. In our special 45, 45, 90, we know the side lengths are the same, so we'll label those with 1s. I can label this with a positive 1 because it's above the x-axis. This one, since I'm moving on the negative x, will be labeled with a negative 1. And the hypotenuse of our triangle, always positive, square it 2. Okay, so we found negative 5 pi over 4. We drew our special triangle. We labeled the side lengths of our special triangle. Now we'll deal with the trig function, which is the tangent. So remember that the tangent is the opposite side over the adjacent side. So let's take a look at what our opposite side is. So remember, find the angle we're dealing with because it's got to be opposite of that one. So opposite of that one is a 1. Adjacent to this 45-degree angle, which means right next to it, is our negative 1. So 1 over negative 1 gives us negative 1. So the tangent of negative 5 pi over 4 is negative 1.